Do you know what happens when you pour this liquid next to cucumbers? You won't believe it until you try it. Stay until the end because right now we're revealing something that many gardeners still keep as a secret. If your cucumbers have stopped growing, the flowers are drying up, and the fruits remain small, you're not alone. But what we're going to show you today is not a chemical from the store, but a natural formula that wakes up the plant as if spring rain has arrived. This supplement recovers weakened cucumbers, encourages lush flowering, extends the harvest, and the fruits become firmer, juicier, and more resistant. And the best thing is, it's completely natural and you can make it right at home. Do you have your own secret trick for cucumbers? Write in the comments because your tips can help others too. If you like these garden tips, click subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any more secrets. And now, what you're here for. This supplement contains an unusual ingredient, usually used to calm people, but it has a completely different effect on plants. The plant wakes up, the leaves shine, and the fruits literally start to bloom. Boil 1 tea bag of chamomile in 3 deciliters of water and let it cool completely. Then water the cucumbers at the root with this liquid, in the morning or early evening. Chamomile has an antibacterial effect, calms stress in the plant and strengthens its immunity, while at the same time stimulating flowering and fruit growth. Try it, and don't forget, what is natural is often the most powerful. Friends, share this video with your friends on social networks. Thank you very much for that.